Okay, proceed. Slow drive anyway. The course is outlined by cones, and then the cones that are down are like arrows. So if it's pointing right, it's a right turn. No? So line yourself up to this blue thing. No? You go over it slowly, and then the cones like this are gates. So you go through them. No? So go over slowly, slow down. Okay, just so you can. There's ground clearance, no? Axle twist. Okay, straight on. And then we make a right. We're not going through the ramp. We're going in between. Yeah. We'll just let them go ahead first. Stop here by the Ford side. Yeah. This car can make it up there, even though it's a two-wheel drive car. No? Kaya niya, it can go up, no? But just for safety purpose today, we're not doing that. But it's capable. Okay.
Pero mas capable from four-wheel drive.
Oh yeah, of course, much safer. Okay, you can go. And then those cars have the descent mode, no? The hill hold and the downhill descent mode. This one doesn't have that, so you have to modulate everything. They're going to turn right, we're going to go left. They're just disengaging the four-wheel. Okay. We're going left. Then you line yourself up to the ramp. Keep turning, yeah. Now we're going to go into the wading pool, simulating floods or river crossing. This is the depth here is 800 mm. You have to modulate your brakes because we don't have the descent control. You can go faster. You can splash. Put it in. So we have a nice effect on for your camera. All the electronics is set up above, no, on top, near the top of the engine, no, alternators on top, the all the electricals are on top, no?
So safer.
So yeah, so when you do water wading, unlike the old cars before, the alternators were at the bottom, the motor, no? The autos white auto sensor, yeah. And then we'll do a little slalom here. Yes, that's it. And then through the gate there, straight on, yeah. Then we'll make a right. This one's a bigger right turn. So here, so you can go a little faster. Right, wrong right, and then into a left, long left, and then into a tight left. Driving again? Next to drive?